Coping cards are simple yet effective tools utilized in cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, to help individuals manage stress and challenging emotions. They serve as quick reminders of strategies and thought patterns that can be used to handle specific situations. To create your own coping cards, start by identifying stressful situations you commonly encounter. Develop personalized coping statements that counteract negative thoughts in these situations. Include affirmations and imagery that invoke a sense of calmness, such as serene landscapes. The benefits of coping cards include immediate stress reduction as they provide swift guidance during challenging times. They contribute to increased emotional resilience and reinforce patterns of positive thinking, making it easier to navigate future stress. Here are examples of powerful coping statements. I am stronger than my anxiety, this feeling will pass, and I am in control of my thoughts. These statements are crafted to combat negativity and encourage a positive mindset. To maximize the effectiveness of coping cards, integrate them into your daily routines. Use them during transitional moments, like the start or end of a day, to set a positive tone. Keep your cards easily accessible, such as in a wallet or by your bedside. Coping cards derive their power from the principles of cognitive behavioral therapy. They positively impact neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize itself, leading to lasting changes in thought patterns. The effectiveness of CBT and tools like coping cards is well supported by scientific evidence. In today's fast-paced world, job security is a common concern. Meet David, a skilled professional who found himself constantly worrying about losing his job. This fear affected his focus, productivity, and even his personal life. But with the help of coping cards, he took control of his thoughts. David's fear stemmed from uncertainty. What if I lose my job? This thought would spiral into stress and self-doubt. However, instead of letting anxiety take over, he learned to challenge these negative thoughts with rational, reassuring statements. Using coping cards, David wrote powerful counterthoughts, like, I have a good education and experience. If I lose my job, I'll likely find another opportunity. Over time, David's anxiety decreased. Instead of dwelling on worst-case scenarios, he focused on his strengths and solutions. He became more proactive at work and even started networking for new opportunities, just in case. The fear no longer controlled him. Avoid mistakes like using overly complex statements that are hard to remember in stressful moments. Never ignore the personalization aspect. Coping cards should speak directly to your experiences. Finally, practice consistently to develop this habit as part of everyday life. In conclusion, embrace the change coping cards offer as part of your CBT journey. By integrating them into your life, you unlock transformative potential for personal well-being, making strides towards emotional resilience and mental empowerment. Subscribe for more insights.